Thank you, Cosma. Among us today we have outstanding leaders of people, free nations of Russia, post-Russia as well, we call it. We'll start with Ahmed Zakаев. Ahmed, the floor is yours.
First of all, I would like to thank organizers of this forum and this event exactly here in European Parliament. It's really important to me, and I think it's also important for everybody who looking back in 5-10 years. We're here in the room of Anna Politkovskaya. She was my friend. She was my good friend. And when we talk about what's going on now, it started not last year in 21st of February 2022. It started in Chechnya 30 years ago. War Putin started, Russia started against Chechen people in 1994. And since then, Putin or Russia committed a lot of crimes, war crimes, not only in Chechnya but at different places. When we talked about 2000 years in 2000 with Anna Politkovskaya, we had some conference and we talked about Russia's going into fascism. It was that time, and everybody looks that Russia will be stopped in Chechnya if they conquer us. But it wasn't true. We know it. We know Russians. We know we know in our history very bad experience to have struggle against Russians. But nobody listened to us. Nobody support us. Even in European country, they have been think if Russia will take Chechnya back and Russia will stop. Then was Georgia. Then was Ukraine, and I'm very happy. Finally, Russia will stop in Ukraine, and it's very important. And of course, nobody will believe if 2 years, 3 years in European Parliament we will discuss about decolonization Russia. We started to talk about it last year, and Putin make us do this. And I hope it will be end this terrible situation on the world. It's not against Ukraine. It's against all civilization, what Putin started and what Putin doing now in Ukraine. And we have to stop them. And I'm very happy I'm a part of this confrontation with Putin's. And we support Ukrainians. We do whatever we can to do to support and to help them, and we will continue to do that. And I'm happy in European Parliament we have people who understood what is Russia doing in Ukraine and what will happen if they win in Ukraine. And we never let to do this, never let to win Russia in Ukraine. And I hope it will not happen ever. Thank you very much.